We are sitting in front of the Aria, about to go take a grand tour of the inside. Las Vegas, Nevada, right off the Vegas Strip. Yes, follow me on the inside. Let's go.
What's up, you guys? Guess what? We are here in Las Vegas and we are staying at the Aria. So I have my room key. So we are here to do another room tour. So come with me inside so we can see what this room look like. Are y'all ready?
Hell yeah.
Cause I'm ready. Let's go. All right, you guys, so I just came inside of the room. So it is actually really dark in here. So I'm going to go open the curtains so that you guys get the best lighting for this tour. So let's go open the window so we can see what the view looks like. So when you first walk in, as you can see, they have some welcome material here just for you as a guest when you first come in. But as I mentioned, it's actually really dark in here. So they have the drapes closed. So let's go open them up so that we can actually see what is really in our room. Let's open the curtains, you guys. All right, you guys, so I did try to open the drapes, but I can't pull them. So that's when I came over here and I realized that this room is actually controlled by the tablet that sits on the nightstand. So when you come here, the screen will actually look like this, which is like your home screen that gives you some information about the resort that you're staying in, and then other things that you can do within the resort, like the mini bar, the news, the amenities, the spa, restaurants, room service, room controls. All of that can be taken care of right here on this screen. So I found out to open the drapes, you click room controls, then you'll come over to drapes, and then you can have two different types of drapes, which is your blackout and your sheer. So we want to open our blackout ones so that we can see what's outside of our window. Look at all the light coming into the room. Let's see what our view looks like. So we got a nice view of the Bellagio, the Vdara, Rio Hotel, the highway. Oh, we also have the Cosmopolitan over here. And then you can also see the other side of the Aria. So we have a pretty huge view of the cityscape. You can also see the mountains off in the distance. So this view is actually really nice. And it opened up the lighting in our room. So now you guys can actually see what the room looks like. Okay, so let's get this tour started. All right, so back to the main door. So remember when I first came in, I showed you guys a little bit of what the front door looks like. Right here, you also have your welcome area where they basically have your door signs. And then, you know, when you do your check-in, they'll give you a map of the resort. Then, you know, places where you can go eat. And then this is our key card for this stay. Also, you have this setup here, which is actually your closets. We have ours set up like his and her. So once you open them, you know, you can put your luggage in. They also have, you know, your ironing board and robes and any material that you might need for your stay. So that's one side, and then over here on the other side, you can also have additional storage for your belongings in this closet as well. Then right in the center, you have additional storage space, which is right here. And this is actually just empty drawers for you to store additional belongings. And let's see what's inside. Nothing. Once again, it's just additional storage for you if you just so happen to bring additional items and need space for your stay. These are actually, you know, pretty large dressers. So definitely a lot of space here for you to store your belongings and anything that you brought with you. All right, so I know you guys have previously already seen the bedroom, so let's just do a quick rundown of some of the things that we do have right here in our room. So we have a nightstand here. It looks like it has a couple of drawers here as well for your use, and we just went over the tablet, which has a lot of things that you can access right at your fingertips. Keeping it moving, we do have a king size bed. It is white cotton sheets, and of course they have their stamp on the pillow. They have about 5 pillows on the bed, so it's made up very neatly. So can't wait to lay down because it has been a long day already. So without further ado, let's keep it moving. So I already showed you guys the view, but also right below this view, you do have additional seating and chairs. It is actually 2 small chairs where you can just sit here, you know, comfortably to relax, you know, kick your feet up, read a book, and just kind of like a lounge area. And that is for your use as well. Then moving right along, you have some additional lighting over here. You have some photos. They also have some amenities that you can purchase. This is products from the mini bar, so of course anything that you move or take off of here will be considered a purchase, so be very mindful about touching things that you do not actually want to purchase. But they do have a variety of little things that you can purchase if you get hungry at night, so keep that in mind. They do have plenty of Fiji water. They also have some glasses over here for you to get ice, and the ice jar that is for your use as well. And then right below that, of course, no microwave. We all miss that microwave. I know I do, but let's take a look. Looks like a mini fridge. Let's see if it is. So it is most definitely a mini fridge, and it looks like it is fully stocked. Looks like you can have quite a few snacks, a little bit of drinks, some alcoholic beverages, you know, whatever floats your fancy. They got some Bombay, some Bacardi, some Grey Goose, Jack Daniels. Yeah, y'all gonna be lit in this room because they have quite a few drinks in here that you guys can indulge in. But of course, as a reminder, they are not free, and if you remove them, you will be billed for your room for anything that is taken out of here. So make sure you keep that in mind. I know sometimes people want to come in here, touch things just to look at them, but please don't, because it will charge you to your room. So keep that in mind. But the only downside to having a pre-stocked fridge is that when you go out to eat and you have leftover food and stuff that you might want to store for later, you no longer have that option here. That's the downside of this. You also don't have the microwave to be able to warm up your food, so keep that in mind. Their goal is to keep you down in the lobby playing slots, blackjack, craps, all of that. They don't want you in this room, so they take everything out of the room so they can keep you guys on the floor. All right, and so the bathroom sits literally right here at the main door. So when you come in straight to the left, you have your bathroom, and it actually looks, you know, really nice. Got dual vanity sinks, his and hers. Then you also have, you know, your towels, your washcloths. They have mats and everything. And then right behind me over here, you have your shower. And also, this is really unique, they have the shower actually in here with the tub. So this whole area is actually glassed in, and if you guys can see that, and the tub is actually in the shower. And it's not a lot of places that actually have this type of setup when you go to different places like this. Let's see. All right, let's go inside. My voice may have an echo, but that's because I'm inside of the shower, but it's actually really huge in here. So it's almost as if you can do your bath and a shower at the same time in the same area. So you're not getting water all over the floor. So really nice concept, really large area. And I think you guys might think that being able to do that is actually really cool. And then over here is the potty area. And you have a glass door where you can kind of close that off, you know, just so you have your own privacy while you do your business. All right, guys, so that will conclude our tour of the room here in the Aria. So make sure before you guys leave, you check out our other Las Vegas videos, our hotels, the food restaurants, because we have so many of them. And we're also here to film even more. So make sure you guys stay tuned. Drop a comment down below. We look forward to hearing from you all. And of course, come back and check us out. And until next time, bye-bye.
For finance, make sure you do me a slight favor, a real important favor, so we can keep this channel going, keep this channel growing. Make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you comment. Make sure you share with your friends. Make sure you're here every single Wednesday and Saturday, 7 p.m. watching these videos that we're bringing to you. Make sure you travel too. Let's go.